You saw this video, right? And you want to know how to make the same thing. So today is your lucky day. I make a tutorial for you. So let's start. Now I'm going to show you how it's look because mine is little different, but you can make it like him. The design is not that important. I make it with dark blocks because I don't have the other's tool, and dark blocks just disappear. You can't tell if it's there when you make it, like 75% invisible. So this is how magic is happening. You need a block of glue, or if you have cakes, it work better. And then you add titanium because it's the heaviest. Make sure it's next to you. It should have contact with the glue block. And if you have the tool that pastes the blocks automatically, I forget the name of it, it's helping so much. Don't forget to delete this blocks or you will be bugged. Now you should disable collision and unarched. And make it invisible, and voila, you are ready. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like it.